Marshalling of assets and liabilities. Continued. Liquidity. Liquidity implies convertibility into cash. The information presented in liquidity manner would enable the user to have a good idea about the life of the various accounts. The assets, which can be easily converted into cash, would be placed at the top, whereas the liabilities are arranged in the order of payment. The most urgent payment is to be placed at the top of the balance sheet. Grouping of assets and liabilities. Grouping means putting together all the items that are of similar nature and put them under a common heading. The items that are displayed in the balance sheet can also be properly grouped. For example, debtors, bank, cash, etc. can be grouped and shown under the heading of current assets, and creditors can be put under the heading current liabilities. Opening entry. The balances that is brought forward from the end of one accounting period to the beginning of the another accounting period is called as opening balance or opening entry. In fact, the balance sheet of an accounting period becomes the opening trial balance of the next accounting period.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.